OnePlus introduced its first pair of wireless earbuds over a year ago, and while its initial efforts were decidedly lackluster, it turned things around. Shortly thereafter, the OnePlus Buds Pro in particular stand out because they're on par with the likes of the Galaxy Buds Pro in terms of sound quality, but at $150, they're more affordable. And right now, you can get your hands on the Buds Pro for just $120, with the earbuds getting their first discount. That's $30 less than what they launched at 3 months ago, and a great overall value when you consider the quality on offer here. The OnePlus Buds Pro do a good job emulating the AirPods Pro design, with a short stock that houses the controls for adjusting volume and music playback. The buds nestle easily into your ear, and because they're so light, you don't feel any fatigue even after using them for 5 hours or more. These earbuds also have excellent active noise cancellation and are able to tune out ambient noise in your surroundings. You can adjust the level for this mode as well, and honestly, it works just as well as the best wireless earbuds from Sony and Samsung. Calls are crystal clear thanks to wind and noise reduction algorithms that use AI, and in this area, you'll find zero issues. There's plenty to like when it comes to sound quality as well. These earbuds have a very bass-heavy sound, so if you listen to genres that focus on the low end, you will love the sound profile here. There's also a customized hearing test that will tune the sound based on what your ears are able to hear, and I found that to be a very useful addition. Save 20% on the OnePlus Buds Pro. OnePlus Buds Pro. With the Buds Pro, OnePlus has managed to deliver earbuds that go up against the best that Samsung and Sony have to offer. They sound absolutely incredible. Heavy lightweight design, excellent noise isolation, IP55 water resistance, and wireless charging. When it comes to value, it's hard to find anything quite as. And then there's fast charging when you need it. Like its phones, the Buds Pro come with Warp Charge that delivers up to 10 hours of music playback for the case with a 10-minute charge. There's Qi wireless charging as well, and the earbuds last for 5 hours on a full charge. The earbuds connect over Bluetooth 5.2, stream using the high-res LHDC codec, and even have IP55 water resistance, making them a great overall option. These earbuds tick all the right boxes, and even at $150, they offer a good value. With the discount to $120, these are an easy recommendation, and you should get your hands on the Buds Pro if you're looking for high-end earbuds that give you the best value. Interested in more audio deals? Take a look at the best Black Friday headphone deals for everything on sale right now. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more